Welcome to Lathe Global, where we specialize in providing advanced CNC milling and cutting machines. Our CNC cutting machines, equipped with advanced technology, offer precise metal and plastic cutting. Our industrial 3D printers, featuring automatic leveling, efficiently handle complex part printing needs, widely used in product design, prototyping, and more. We offer high-precision laser cutting machines, capable of cutting stainless steel and other metals with ease, ensuring accuracy and quality in every product. Our automatic sealing and shrink packaging machines offer fast and precise packaging solutions. Lathe Global, providing advanced solutions for your manufacturing needs.